Hey guys, heard you need some new overlays for your shoutouts. I got you. First, you're going to want to go to scene.gg and you're going to want to make an account, sign in. What you really want is widgets. And what we're going to look at today is the shoutout right here. First off, you can go in and change some settings. I like the banner. I use the shoutout command and I auto shoutout on raids. Then all you got to do, you can either copy, or if you're using stream elements, you can grab a hold of the wheel and drag it right into your studio and drop it. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is when you get into your studio, you're going to want to hit this plus, hit the browser, create a new. So once you have your browser source, then you'll right click, properties, and then paste your link right there. That's all you have to do. Alright, let's say you got your link copied, your browser source is sized, and you got it right where you want on the screen. Now you want to test it out. Just type a quick shout out into your chat. You can see the awesome new shout out for the person. Enjoy and come back for some more tips later. I really want to give a quick shout out to Junior Dynamic. He's the one that showed me this trick, so I want to give him some credit for that. Thanks, buddy. We'll see you next time.